Good morning students, Sairam. Let's continue with chapter 8 decimals. Let's continue to solve the problems of exercise 8.1. Question number 4, exercise 8.1. Write each of the following as decimals. A, 5 upon 10. So children, 5 upon 10 is 5 tenths. It can be written as 0.5. Then B, 3 plus 7 upon 10th. That means 3 plus 7 tenths. 7 tenths is written as 0.7. So it is 3 plus 0.7, which gives us 3.7. C, 200 plus 60 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10. So we have how many hundreds? 2 hundreds, 6 tenths, 5 ones and 1 tenth. So it can be written as 265 plus 1 upon 10 or 1 tenth. So it becomes 265.1. Now next one, D, 70 plus 8 upon 10. That means 70 plus 8 tenths. So it becomes 70 plus 0.8. So the answer is 70.8. Next E, 88 upon 10. Children, 88 upon 10 can be written as 80 plus 8 upon 10. So it can be written as 80 upon 10 plus 8 upon 10. So it becomes 8 plus 8 upon 10. So it gives us 8.8. So it gives us 8.8. Next one, G, 3 upon 2. So to convert 3 upon 2 into decimal, we have to convert the denominator 2 into 10. This we can do by multiplying this fraction by 5. So 3 upon 2 multiplied by 5 gives us 15 upon 10. And 15 upon 10 can be written as decimal as 1.5. So 1.5 is the answer. 3 upon 2 is equal to 1.5. Next question, 2 upon 5. Children, here also we have 5 as the denominator. So we have to convert the denominator into 10. For that we multiply the fraction 2 upon 5 by 2. So it becomes 4 upon 10 and 4 tenths can be written as 0.4. I is again 12 upon 5. So again we have to convert 5, the denominator 5 into 10. So for that we will convert the fraction 12 upon 5 into equivalent fraction with denominator 10 by multiplying with 2. So 12 into 2 upon 5 into 2. So what do we get? We get 24 upon 10. 24 upon 10 is equal to 2.4. J is 3 upon 5. It's a mixed fraction. So it can be written as 3 plus 3 upon 5. Now we convert this fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 10. So it becomes 3 plus 3 into 2 upon 5 into 2. So we get 3 plus 6 upon 10 or 6 tenths. So it is 3 plus 0.6. So the answer becomes 3.6. So 3 upon 5 is equal to 3.6. Next one, 4 1 upon 2. 4 1 upon 2 can be written as 4 plus 1 upon 2. Again we have to change this fraction into equivalent fraction with denominator 10, which we do by multiplying with 5. Here we have done this. So we get 4 plus 5 upon 10. That means 4 plus 0.5, which gives us 4.5. Now next question. Question number 5, exercise 8.1. Write the following decimals as fractions and reduce the fractions to the lowest form. So here in this question, what we have to do? We have to write the given decimal as a fraction and also reduce the fraction to its lowest form. First one is 0.6. Children, 0.6 means it is 6 tenths. So we can write it as 0 plus 6 upon 10. Now 6 upon 10 is the fraction. Let us reduce it to the lowest form. To reduce into the lowest form, what we do? We divide 6 upon 10 by their HCF. The HCF of 6 and 10 is 2. So we divide 6 upon 10 by 2. What do we get? We get 3 upon 5. So the lowest form of this fraction 6 upon 10 is 3 upon 5. B, 2.5. So it can be written as 2 plus 0.5, isn't it? Now it can be written as 2 plus 5 tenths, 5 upon 10, 0.5 can be written as 5 tenths. Now we convert it into a fraction by multiplying 2 by 10 and adding the numerator to it, and the denominator will be the same. So we get 20 plus 5 upon 10, which gives us 25 upon 10. Now to reduce into the lowest form, we divide 25 upon 10 by 5. So what do we get? We get 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2 is the answer. So 2.5 is equal to 5 upon 2. C, 1.0. 1.0 means 1. So it can be written as 1 plus 0 upon 10. That means 1, and it is the lowest form also, or directly you can write the answer 1.0 is equal to 1. D, 3.8. 3.8 can be written as 3 plus 0.8. That means it is 3 plus 8 upon 10. Now we can write it as 3 into 10 plus 8 divided by 8. The denominator will be the same, and we multiply the denominator and the whole number and add the numerator to it to get the fraction. So what do we get? We get 30 plus 8 upon 10, that means 38 upon 10. Now what will be the lowest form of 38 upon 10? It will be divided by, this fraction will be divided by 2. So we get 38 divided by 2 upon 10 divided by 2. So we get 19 upon 5. So 19 upon 5 is the reduced form of the fraction 38 upon 10. Next problem, 21.2. So 21.2 we can write it as 21 plus 0.2. That means 21 plus 2 upon 10, which can be written as 21 into 10 plus 2 upon 10. So we have 210 plus 2 upon 10. So it gives us 212 upon 10. What will be the lowest form of 12 upon 10? Divide both by 2, we get 106 by 9. So this is the answer. Now next is G, 6.4. 6.4 means 6 plus 0.4, and 0.4 is 4 tenths. So we write 6 plus 4 upon 10, which can be written as 6 into 10 plus 4 upon 10. That means it is 60 plus 4 upon 10. That means it is 64 upon 10. Now the lowest form of 64 upon 10, both we divide by 2. What do we get? We get 32 upon 5. So we get the lowest form of the fraction 64 upon 10 as 32 upon 5. Next question. Question number 6, exercise 8.1. Express the following as centimeters using decimals. So here it is given 2 millimeter, 30 millimeter. In the millimeter it is given, we have to convert it into the centimeters. So children, we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, or 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter will be 1 upon 10 centimeters. So here first one is 2 millimeter. 2 millimeters will be equal to 2 upon 10 centimeters. That means 2 tenths of a centimeter. So it is 0.2 centimeter. B, 30 millimeter. Again 30 millimeter will be equal to 30 upon 10 centimeters. That means it is 3 centimeters. C 116 millimeter. 116 millimeter will be equal to 116 upon 10 centimeter, which we can write as 11 plus 6 upon 10. So, it gives us 11.6 centimeters. So, 116 millimeter is equal to 11.6 centimeter. Next, D 4 centimeter 2 millimeters. So, it is 4 centimeters plus 2 upon 10 centimeters. 4 centimeters plus 2 upon 10 centimeters, which will be equal to 4.2 centimeters. E 162 millimeters. So, it can be written as 162 upon 10 centimeters, isn't it? Which can be written as 16 plus 2 upon 10 centimeters. So, it gives us 16.2 centimeters. F 83 millimeter. 83 millimeter is equal to 83 upon 10 centimeters. So, it can be written as 8 plus 3 upon 10 centimeters. So, it will be equal to 8.3 centimeters. So, 83 millimeters will be equal to 8.3 centimeters. Children, with this question, I end this session. We will solve more problems of the same exercise in our coming session. Thank you.